A shop sold 50 bags of coffee for a total of 5,100 pesos. Large bags sold for 120 pesos and small bags sold for 70 pesos. How many large bags were sold? So we're looking for the number of large bags. Okay, so we're going to have two equations in this problem. So we're looking for the number of large bags. Let L be the number of large bags. L for large bags, and then let's just use X for small bags. Okay, small bags. So first equation, the total number of bags is 50. So the first equation will be X plus L is equal to 50. So this will be our equation number 1. Okay, and then for equation number 2, we multiply the number of bags to its price. So we have shop sold 50 bags of coffee for a total of 5,100. So equals 5,100. So we multiply the X and L by its price. So large bag sold for 120 pesos. So we multiply 120 to L. So we have 120 L and then plus multiply X, the small bags to its price, we have 70 pesos. So we have 70X plus 120L equals 5,100. So this will be our equation number 2. So we will just use substitution to find the value of L. So in equation number 1, we just solve for X. Solve for X, put L to the other side by subtracting L to both sides. So therefore, X is equal to 50 minus L. And then, this 50 minus L, let's substitute this into equation number 2. Substitute to X in equation number 2. So therefore, we have 70, change X to 50 minus L, and then copy the rest, plus 120 L equals 5,100. Just solve for L. Okay? So, distribute this. 7 times 5, that is equal to 35. So, just write the 2 zeros. So, we have 3,500. 70 times negative L, we have negative 70L plus 120L equals 5,100. Combine the L, negative 70L plus 120L, that is equal to 50L. So, just rewrite 3,500 and then the 5,100. Okay? Okay, so we have 120 minus 70. This will be positive. Okay? So, subtract 3,500 to both sides. So, this will cancel out. We have 50L is equal to, just copy the 2 zeros, subtract this. So, we have 11 minus 5, we have 6. 5 will become 4. 4 minus 3, we have 1,600. Then, last step, divide both sides by 50. Okay, so therefore L is equal to, so we can cancel the each one 0 in the numerator and denominator, and then let's just divide manually. 160 divided by 5, we have 16 divided by 5, that will be 3. 3 times 5, we have 15. Subtract, we have 1, bring down 0. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So therefore, the number of large bags is 32. The correct answer is letter A. Follow for more.